Good morning students, this is your physics class. Yes, and today we are starting from the second chapter, okay, that is units and measurement. It has also dimensions, etc, etc. Okay, so let us have some introduction of this chapter. So we are starting from the history. Okay, from the past history we know there was some barter system. Yes, means ऐसा कुछ लेन देन का प्रोसेस चलता था. There was no perfect defined units. Like for example, मैं तुमको 2 किलो धान दे देता हूँ और तुमसे 2 किलो नमक ले लेता हूँ. किलो सॉरी किलो नहीं, मीन्स एक थोड़ा सा धान देता हूँ उतना ही थोड़ा सा नमक ले लेता हूँ, ऐसा कुछ होता था. ओके, देयर वाज नो किलो नथिंग. ओके, ठीक है, कुछ लेन देन ऐसा प्रोसेस, तू इतना ले ले, तू मेरे को इतना दे दे, like that was there. Okay, fine. So some people after some time, means the big thinkers or some people having scientist mind, they thought कि यार कुछ तो यूनिट होना चाहिए. There should be some measurement in units so that the things are exchanged, okay, by the measurement and in proper quantity. ठीक है, means quantity बराबर तरीके से शेयर नहीं हो पाता था, मीन एक्सचेंज नहीं हो पाता था. ओके, सो दे थॉट कि कुछ तो होना चाहिए. यस, समथिंग शुड बी देयर विच इज़ वेल डिफाइंड. ओके, तो सभी कंट्रीज ने अपना यूनिट स्टार्ट किया. ओके, सम स्टार्टेड विथ सीजीएस. ओके, सम कंट्रीज स्टार्टेड विथ एफपीएस, एमकेएस, लाइक दैट. They started their units. Okay, CGS, centimeter, gram, second, foot, pound, second, meter, kilogram, second. Okay, तो उन्होंने ऐसा अपना यूनिट्स डिफाइन कर दिया. ओके, एंड दे स्टार्टेड टू एक्सचेंज दी goods or something in these quantities. Okay, then after some time when the countries started developing, okay, and import export started. Okay, so what happened, the countries thought about having a single unified unit, okay, for all import export, all exchanges. Okay, then came into existence SI, International System of Units. Okay, or we can say system international. Okay, वो that is in some Greek way. Okay, SYSTEME, international. Okay, but we generally say International System of Unit, SI. Okay, means ये ऐसा है कि अब सभी कंट्रीज के लिए this is unified single unit. Okay, for any import or export or any exchange of anything, goods or something. Okay, SI will be used. Okay, but some countries still follows this, but when it comes to international dealing or something, they use SI. Okay, fine. So let us start with the units now. Begin with the units. Okay, fine. So units are the terms which are written after the quantities, like 7 centimeter. Centimeter is unit of that. Okay, 7 kilograms. Okay, kilogram is unit. Okay, fine. So what is the way? Okay, how the units were made? Okay, so units are divided into two types. First is fundamental units. Fundamental units first. Okay, and the second one is derived units. First is fundamental units and the second one is derived unit. Okay, now what are these? Okay, fundamental, from the name itself we can recognize that fundamental means it will be the basic units. Okay, means these are the basic units which cannot be derived further or cannot be parted. Okay, इनका पार्टीशन नहीं हो सकता. Okay, and they cannot be derived. ये अपने अपने यूनिवर्सल है, they are universal units. Okay, fine. फिर इससे जो यूनिट डिराइव होंगे that are derived units. Okay, from the combination of these fundamental units, derived units are made. Okay, these are our basic units. ये यूनिट है. Okay, that means these are our basic units. Okay, and these are derived units. These units are derived from fundamental units. Okay, so let's see first fundamental units. The definition of fundamental units says fundamental units are the basic units which are not dependent on other units, which are not dependent on other units. Okay, and all other units are derived from them. Yes, so what are fundamental units? They are the basic units. Okay, and they are not dependent on any other unit. इनका खुद का अपना एक यूनिट होता है. ओके, स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड. ओके, and all other units are derived from them, means the derived units are derived from them. Okay, now we will see the fundamental units. What are the fundamental units? Okay, so number 1, mass. Okay, the fundamental unit of the first fundamental unit is mass. Okay, it's SI unit. We will see SI unit. Okay, SI unit is kilogram. Symbol is kg. This is our first fundamental units. Fundamental unit. Okay, second, length. Okay, length in SI unit, length is measured in meters. Okay, and is denoted by small m. Now the third is time. Okay, time is measured in second, denoted by S. Number 4, temperature. Okay, SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, not degree Celsius. Okay, Kelvin, denoted by capital K. Number 5, electric current. Ampere is its SI unit, denoted by A. Current is denoted by I and ampere is denoted by A. Okay, then sixth is luminous intensity. Luminous intensity. Okay, you will make a box like this. Okay, fine. Now next, luminous intensity. SI unit of luminous intensity is candela. CANDELA. Candela, denoted by capital C small d. Okay, and the seventh one is amount of substance. Amount of substance. Okay, amount of substance. SI unit is mole. MOLE. You might have studied in chemistry. Mole. Okay, denoted by symbol MOL. Small m, small o, small l. Okay, these are our 7 fundamental units. Okay, first is mass, kilogram, kg, length, meter, small m, time, second, small s, temperature, Kelvin, capital K, electric current, ampere, capital A, luminous intensity, candela, symbol capital C small d, amount of substance, mole, denoted by small m, small o, small l. Okay, fine. Now from these units we will have derived units. Okay, so let's see derived units. The next topic is derived units. So what are derived units? Derived units are the units which are derived from 7 fundamental units. Okay, in some books you will get there are 9 fundamental units. Okay, so when we see in NCERT, they have mentioned that there are only 7 fundamental units. The 2 which some books include that there are also fundamental units are actually supplementary units. Okay, that supplementary units we will study after this. Okay, fine. So keep that for further. Okay, so I have mentioned 7 here. Okay, for that problem only. So derived units are the units which are derived from 7 fundamental units. Okay, means क्या होंगे, फंडामेंटल यूनिट से बने हैं ये. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मीन्स वो 7 को छोड़ के बाकी जितने हैं ऑल आर डिराइव्ड. ओके, फॉर सिंपल एग्जाम्पल वी आर टेकिंग एरिया. एरिया ऐसा यूनिट और यूनिट, सिंपल यूनिट ऑफ एरिया इज मीटर स्क्वायर. Yes, this meter square is derived from as fundamental unit. Yes, fundamental unit क्या है, मीटर. Yes, speed meter per second. Okay, this meter is also fundamental. The second is also fundamental unit. Means we can derive that. वहाँ से बना. Okay, next is force. ऐसा unit of force is Newton. And what is this Newton actually? Actually, this Newton is mass into acceleration. F is equals to ma. तो mass are kg meter per second square. Actually, kg meter per second square is only Newton. Okay, keep this in mind. Kg meter per second square is Newton. Okay, you can write in bracket kg meter per second square. So this kg, okay, meter, second, these all are fundamental units. In the same way, power also, what is derived from power is equals to work by time. So joule by second. Joule by second is also, and the joule, वो जो joule है ना, वो भी चलो देख लेते हैं. Let's first we see work. SI unit of work is joule, and this joule is actually, you know, force. So work formula is equals to force into displacement. Yes, simple formula, force into displacement. Okay, so what happens when I put the actual, this actual unit of force, okay, here kg meter per second square, okay, like this, or we take displacement. Okay, displacement is in meters, तो यहाँ पे मीटर हो जाएगा, तो यहाँ मीटर मल्टीप्लाई kg meter square per second square. This is joule. Okay, keep this in mind. So this is kg meter square per second square. In the same way you can see for power. Okay, that is divided by time. तो यहाँ पर second का cube हो जाएगा. You can calculate. Okay, so all these are derived units. Means वो 7 को छोड़ के बाकी जितने बचे all are derived units. Okay, fine. So this was the overall topic for unit. So we will keep class till here. So okay, thank you.